All right. So week 13, day 3, it says right here, write the sentences correctly. We know this. What's it say for the first one? It says, if you could choose where you live, oh my, would you live near a farm, city, or beach? We have all kinds of problems with this guy. All right, what's the first thing that you see, Melania? If you could choose where you live.
Well, instead of CHEWS, it should be CHOOSE.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. So we have that's a homophone mix up, right? Choose and choose, right? They sound the same, they have different spellings, but they mean totally different things. So yeah, if you could, so we have a spelling error, we're going to circle that. That's what it means. When I circle it, I'm circling it because I know the spelling is incorrect. Are you doing that when you're editing? All right, if you could choose where you live, would you live near a farm, city, or beach? Well, I can tell you right now, I see another homophone mix-up trace where the word spells is spelled the same or spelled differently, but sounds the same, but have different meanings. You see it? What is it? Wood and wood. You are absolutely right, sir. It is wood and wood. And so let's get this fixed. It says, if you could choose where you live, would you live? So we need to figure that out too. Well, how do you spell it? What's the correct spelling? That's correct. Would you live near a farm, city, or beach? What do we need here when we list things consecutively? Emily, farm, comma, city, comma, or beach, right? Oh, and I see one more big thing that's easily missed. Yes, right here. Kinsley, you nailed it. It's a question mark, not a comma. So we're going to put a question mark and circle it, right? We're going to put a question mark and circle it. That's how we say add a question mark. All right, do you see my editing marks? Are we doing the editing marks? That's key. All right, Trace McBride, what is our mantra? We do what? We read, we edit, and then we write. So I must have read that at least 4 or 5 times, right? And we've gone through all the edits. Now we need to write our stuff out nice and neat. Hold it up. Let me see that you're doing that so that I can see it. All right. Looking good. Looking good. All right. So some people, so for that one, how many corrections do we have for the first one? It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corrections for that one. That's a lot. All right. 2 homophone mix ups. All right. Some people think that the beach was the better place of all to live. Now, we talk about comparing one thing to everything. Liliana, are you looking at me? If I want to compare Liliana's height to everyone, or if I want to compare, let's say, Melania's height, I would say Melania is the taller girl in the whole class. I wouldn't say taller, right? Taller is just comparing one thing to one more thing, another thing, right? Right, Zayden? That's what I said, Xander. Ah. So I want to compare Xander. I don't know. I was thinking a beach to all the beaches, right? So some people think that the beach was the better place. Would we say better or it would be the best? We want the superlative form, right? So EST is superlative, right? ER is comparative. All right. Some people think that the beach is the best place of all to live. What am I missing here? Some people think that the beach. Oh, wait a minute. I see something. Yeah, go ahead, Rocco. What do you see? Yeah, I just saw it as soon as you did. Your hand went up and I saw it at the same time. Now let's read it. Some people think that the beach is the best place of all to live. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, so for this one, we only have 2 corrections. All right, and then so we read many times, we edited, write it out. Com- Most people, okay, that's fine. That works. All right, complete the sentence with a word that means full of peace. Full of peace. We want a suffix, right? So what would it be? Peaceful. Who can tell me what I need to underline? If I wanted to highlight, Jack, the suffix, what would I highlight? That's the suffix. If I wanted to highlight, Michael O'Brien, the root word of peaceful, what would I highlight? There it is. Okay. All right. Complete the sentence with the superlative adjective. Superlative. What did I say up here was the superlative ending? What did I say was the superlative ending up here? EST. So where's the superlative adjective? I don't like to live in the city because it's the, what is it? Superlative? Noisiest of all places, right? So noisy, Noisy. What comes before that Y? Is it a vowel or a consonant, the letter S, Brody? Is that a vowel or a consonant, that letter S before the Y? It's a consonant. Because it's a consonant, we're going to drop the Y and add I, and then we're going to add our ending. Okay? Noisiest. Got it? That's the rule of Y. All right, there you have it. Week 13, day 3 in the books. Tadero out.